Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best minor currency pair Forex brokers. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Minor currency pairs are currency pairs which do not include the US dollar. Minor currency pairs are also known as cross-currency pairs, and the most widely traded pairs include the British pound, the euro, and the yen. Minor currency pairs have a smaller market share in comparison to major currency pairs, and for this reason, minor currency pairs exhibit lower market liquidity. Lower market liquidity means that a broker will offer wider dealing Forex spreads. There are 14 minor Forex pairs in total, although the amount may vary depending on the investor's selected broker. Traders who are searching for some of the best minor currency pair Forex brokers can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best minor currency pair Forex brokers. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have Avatrade. Avatrade is a fully regulated CFD and Forex broker that has been around since 2006 and currently has a client base of over 300,000 traders, with their headquarters located in Ireland. Avatrade has won more than 100 international awards and is regulated and licensed across 5 continents worldwide. Avatrade is a beginner-friendly broker that offers an extensive variety of educational materials, as well as more advanced research and analysis tools for experienced traders. Avatrade offers 4 flexible types of accounts, along with demo accounts for new clients and beginners, and Islamic swap-free accounts for clients of the Muslim faith. Specializing in trading and offering services through more than 250 instruments, which include over 60 currency pairs, major stock indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, bonds, individual shares, ETFs, and more. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's WebTrader, as well as their very own mobile trading applications, known as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best comprehensive educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos that delve into professional trading strategies, beginner lessons, introductions to advanced trading tools, trading safety, market terms, as well as ebooks that you can browse through if you are searching for more in-depth education with Avatrade. At number 4 on our list is Easy Markets. Easy Markets is a renowned online trading platform that offers accessible and user-friendly financial services to individuals worldwide. With a commitment to providing simplicity and convenience, Easy Markets empowers traders of all levels to engage in various markets, including Forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Through its intuitive interface and comprehensive educational resources, Easy Markets strives to make trading straightforward and profitable for its diverse clientele. The broker offers a wide array of market instruments to cater to the diverse needs of traders, from Forex currency pairs and commodities to indices and cryptocurrencies. Their platform provides access to over 200 financial assets. With competitive spreads, flexible leverage options, and innovative trading tools, Easy Markets empowers traders to explore and trade various markets with confidence and ease. Easy Markets offers cutting-edge trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders. Their platforms include the Easy Markets proprietary trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the TradingView trading platform. With their user-friendly interface and powerful features, their platforms provide seamless access to global markets. Whether you're at home or on the go, the brokerage trading platforms ensures a smooth and efficient trading experience, empowering traders to stay connected and capitalize on market opportunities anytime, anywhere. Easy Markets offers a range of trading accounts designed to accommodate the needs of traders at different experience levels. These accounts include the standard, premium, and VIP account types, along with demo and Islamic account options. Whether you're a novice or an experienced trader, Easy Markets provides account options tailored to your preferences and trading style. With features like competitive spreads, flexible leverage options, and dedicated customer support, Easy Markets ensures a seamless trading experience for all its clients. Additionally, each account type comes with access to a variety of trading tools and educational resources to help traders enhance their skills and stay informed about the markets. The broker provides a diverse range of educational resources tailored to suit traders of varying skill levels and interests. Their platform offers access to an extensive library of video tutorials, insightful articles, engaging webinars, informative ebooks, and interactive courses. These resources cover a wide range of topics, including trading basics, technical analysis, fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading psychology. Whether you're a beginner looking to grasp the fundamentals or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, their educational material are designed to equip you with the knowledge and tools needed to succeed in the financial markets. Overall, Easy Markets stands as a trusted online trading platform committed to providing accessible and user-friendly financial services to individuals worldwide. With a focus on simplicity, transparency, and customer satisfaction, Easy Markets empowers traders of all levels to engage in various markets with confidence. Through its intuitive interface, comprehensive educational resources, and innovative trading tools, Easy Markets continues to strive for excellence in delivering a seamless and rewarding trading experience for its diverse clientele. Coming in at number 3, we have XM. XM is a beginner-friendly Forex broker that was founded in 2009. They are regulated by 6 top-tier agencies, including the CYSEC, the ASIC, and the FCA, and currently has over 5 million clients worldwide. To start trading on the XM accounts, a minimum deposit of only $5 is required, and you can fund your account using one of 9 base currencies. XM gives you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio with a variety of commodities, Forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, metals, shares, and energies. We recommend XM for all types of traders, whether you are a professional or only just beginning your trading career. XM provides 4 trading account types, which are featured on Standard, XM Ultra Low, Micro, a Shares account, Demo accounts, and Swap-free accounts. All accounts have negative balance protection, lower spreads, lower minimum deposits, and more. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and XM's proprietary mobile trading application, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. The XM Learning Center provides live education, and plenty of educational videos, as well as Forex webinars and platform tutorials. You can also use XM for in-depth market overviews and market news. A variety of trading ideas, technical summaries, podcasts, and much more are also provided if you are searching for any additional educational material with XM. At number 2 on our list is FP Markets. FP Markets is a leading online trading provider offering access to a wide range of financial instruments including Forex, CFDs, and commodities. With a commitment to transparency, innovation, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides traders with cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Established in 2005, FP Markets has grown into a globally recognized brand, serving clients in over 150 countries. Through its user-friendly platforms and comprehensive educational resources, FP Markets empowers traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets with confidence. FP Markets offers a range of advanced trading platforms designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. These platforms include the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, WebTrader, cTrader, TradingView, and the FP Markets mobile trading application, with advanced trading tools and copy trading functionality. FP Markets offers a range of account types tailored to meet the diverse needs of traders. These accounts include the standard and raw trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. Regardless of the account type chosen, FP Markets is committed to providing traders with superior execution, transparent pricing, and exceptional customer service. The broker also offers a robust suite of educational resources tailored to empower traders of all levels to navigate the financial markets confidently. Their educational hub, accessible through their website, features a diverse range of material, including articles, tutorials, videos, and webinars covering various topics such as strategies, technical analysis, risk management, and market insights. Whether traders are novices seeking foundational knowledge or seasoned professionals looking to refine their strategies, their educational resources are designed to support continuous learning and growth in the trading journey. Overall, FP Markets stands as a trusted and innovative online trading provider, offering a comprehensive suite of services and resources to empower traders worldwide. With a commitment to transparency, excellence, and client satisfaction, FP Markets provides access to cutting-edge technology, competitive pricing, and superior execution. Whether you are new to the world of online trading or a seasoned professional, the broker's user-friendly platforms, extensive product range, and educational resources ensures that traders have the tools and support needed to succeed in the dynamic world of financial markets. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best minor currency pair Forex brokers, we have eToro. Since 2007, eToro has evolved into one of the most trusted and popular Nasdaq 100 and stockbrokers. If you are new to trading, eToro offers an incredible trading academy for beginners. However, experienced traders can also use the academy to refine their skills. The educational content provided by eToro is free to use and covers many different topics, including crypto trading, investing, trading, and more. This broker is trusted by more than 25 million people worldwide and is also available to United States citizens. If you would like to diversify your investment portfolio, eToro offers more than 2,700 stocks with zero commission trading guaranteed, as well as a variety of cryptocurrencies, over 300 ETFs, indices, and Forex pairs. The eToro trading platform simplifies data exchange between traders and speeds up sharing experiences, and features advanced and revolutionary currency trading software. This enables Forex beginners to easily enter the world of Forex trading via a user-friendly interface and a highly customizable platform. eToro's trading software gives a visual representation of transactions, which helps intuitive trading while it brings together social and promotional features such as a traders community chat and trading contests. Their application is available for Android and iOS devices. The eToro retail account is a flexible all-in-one account that is suitable for copy traders, social traders, and beginners. This account can be used to trade stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, Forex pairs, indices, and ETFs. The eToro retail account also allows users to stake cryptocurrencies, and it can be used for copy trading. Retail accounts have limited leverage, but retail clients are covered by the Investor Compensation Fund and the Financial Ombudsman Service. They also receive negative balance protection and margin closeout restrictions. The eToro professional account offers all the same features as the retail account, however offers much higher leverage, and only customers registered under eToro UK and eToro EU can apply to be a professional client. eToro offers an exceptional trading academy with guides, videos, and articles covering all topics related to trading and investments. The educational resources provided are suitable for beginners, intermediate traders, and experts. There are many detailed how-to guides, and the Trading Academy dashboard makes it easy to find more information about any questions you might have. eToro also provides updated news and analysis, as well as in-depth market research PDFs. eToro is an all-in-one broker that is regulated by top-tier institutions and offers competitive trading conditions. We recommend eToro for all types of traders, especially if you are interested in social trading, copy trading, stock trading, or crypto trading. This broker is one of the few, if not the only, Forex broker that currently allows cryptocurrencies to be staked on its platform, and is also a great option for traders who are eager to refine their trading knowledge and improve their skills, because the eToro Academy offers an abundance of educational resources for all levels of experience. And those are some of the top 5 best minor currency pair Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.